Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to unbox an upgrade for our channel. So here it is, and let's get started and unbox it together. To do this unboxing video we should have the unboxing parcel here, and we're going to have the famous stainless steel non-rusted penknife here. So now let's use this to unbox our parcel. Okay guys, so I couldn't hold the camera and the penknife in one hand each, so I had to tear it open, but now here it is. So let's just throw it to one side, and here we have the parcel here. So now let's open it. So this is the Boya by M1 mic, lavalier microphone. So as you guys know, all my audios are recorded on my phone, and it's always using the microphone in the phone camera. So I just wanted to improve my audio so that you guys have a better audio quality here. So here's it, the Boya by M1. So now I couldn't show you guys the unboxing because these were wrapped in all these plasters and I couldn't open it with one hand, so all this were wrapping it. So yep, let's throw it away. So now let's open this. Now it's open. So now let's take out the contents of this box. Let's open this here. Pour this out, and here we have some Boya stickers, just like how Apple gives the Apple sticker. Now there's this Boya sticker, so it's here, and this is probably the warranty card here, and this is the lavalier microphone manual book, and now here we have the microphone. So now let's unbox it. So this has a, as you can see here, it's a Boya leather case to keep the microphones. That's actually very good because I can't always be putting a microphone outside and expecting it to be clean. So now let me just open this. Here we have the lavalier microphone. Okay, so let's open it up. So here's it guys, the microphone. Let me just take it out fully. Yeah, it's hard to take it out. Okay guys, so here's the microphone. Oh, there's something else inside also. There's these Boya stickers, and here we have this muffler for just to keep the microphone free from our slivers and all. And here we have the lapel clip here. See here, let me just open this so that you guys can see it better. So just pour this out, and yep, so this is the thing for the top of the microphone, and this battery. I'll come back to why this battery was given, but for now let's just put it aside. And let's see, this is the pin for to connect to audio terminals. We might not be needing this. I mean, we might never be needing these because I'll just be using the headphone jack with an adapter to the phone. So yep, so just put it aside now. And here we have the lapel clip here, just to clip the phone to our shirt and all. So now let me just open this. Here we are. Okay, so here's the clip. Okay, it's quite hard to press, but I guess it holds the mic firmly to the shirt. Just put it aside. Okay, so this is the plug back for the phone. Now let's see what this is. Okay, this is a quality certificate. And now final, this the main part. This is the this is the microphone. You see here, Boya by M1. So this is my Boya microphone. And now let's just untie this and see the microphone. So I just unwrap this, and there's actually a velcro to keep the rest of the wire inside. So I'm just gonna, oh, that's a pretty long wire, you can see here. It's a super long wire here. So I think we might be needing this, because we are gonna keep this locked at all times, because I think from the shirt, from the pants to the shirt, I think this will be enough, and this is really very long. So I think we might not be needing this. So I think I'm just gonna tie it back again. So guys, so this is the microphone, and here we have the headphone jack for the audio terminal to plug inside the smartphone. And okay, so there's actually another clip here. I hope you guys can see it. So yeah, this is also, I think this is to clip this part to the pants or something. So yep, so there are actually three parts to this, three different functions of this. So one is the camera, and one is the off for smartphone. So we are going to use the smartphone because those who are using cameras, when they use this, they need to switch it on, and they need to put in the battery. So like I said, this is why the battery was given. So for those using cameras, like real cameras, are the one who might be needing the battery in this. But for us, since we use smartphone to record our videos, I think this will be good. So we just don't have to put in the battery. All we have to do is to just plug this inside the smartphone and just use this, and we are good to go. Yeah guys, so that's it. So here we have, and here's the stickers and all, and this is the instruction manual. So I just gotta read that later. So yeah guys, so this is the audio quality on the Boya mic here, and yeah, in future videos you will have better audio quality. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys like the unboxing. So this is the first upgrade for our channel, and yep, I just wanted to provide you guys with good audio, as always, good content and good audio. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for supporting me this far. And yeah guys, so that is it. I'll use this microphone for future videos, and you guys will have better quality. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.